Kengi?
Ke letjobana.
Letjobana ke leploma.
Ba le tshwaetso wrong.
Letjobana keng?
Ke leploma.
Oh.
Ke mbali.
Story goes like, so there's a lady, Barry Unal 31 years old. She was 31 years old yesterday. Let me just put it like this way. She was
So
30,
still is
she was 31 years old yesterday, and then she met this guy, and then she's saying, as now she is 95 years old, she's
Guys, did you see Winnie Mandela ba rona le basadi ba ithu ba repileng mojita?
Nini?
Basadi ba ithu ko Winnie Mandela ba
Oh.
repileng mojita.
Okay.
My God.
But science, but you know what science will say to her? Science, there's nothing we can do. It's either your family to switch off the machines.
Really, today not so ngwana because ana tsolo motho mole na le smart. I think at the age of 5 or 6 years old she was able to read the newspaper, man. I'll be become a palat.
I look beautiful.
Because ngiyabona ufuna ukungidelela.
Ngiyafuna ukukhuluma.
Yeah, uyafuna ungidela. No, ufuna ungidela. Nayi ngani lo with ufuna ukungidelela. So the people, they should just go and better their life as much as bathi siyatswafa nathi shiyeni la nokutswafa bethi sale sinyala sidlala sichama sidlala angisho siyanya siyadla.
Yes, true that. Kanti labafazi bayenza mina bengithi semadodeni nje kuphela.
Yo amadoda asithakatha.
Madoda athakatha.
Yo.
Uyathakatha wena.
Hayi hlaka John. Okay, mhlaba kasigada. I know him. You think it's fine, but the babahambisa ngakhona bathi mabahambe baye if bayena kulukisha dilo batla lukisha dilo and they will come back here if lo gona nto ba itlisha mo ina le mohola ankere so the people, they should just
vusa uyivusa willing so uzoyilalisa willing so
Sila sibusal kanti wena nokusililisa nibusa.
no, this lady saying they were raping him, but
Oh.
that's what she said.